Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You will begin by verifying prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Install Git and VS Code, then confirm versions. This ensures compatibility. Next, sign into GitHub and generate an SSH key or prepare a personal access token. SSH is often smoother for frequent pushes. Once done, open VS Code and install the official GitHub extension so integration is ready. Make sure to enable the code command in your path so you can launch projects quickly from the terminal. Now you will connect a repository and handle the detailed middle steps. Clone your repository using SSH or HTTPS, or use VS Code's clone command. This brings code locally. Open the folder in VS Code and inspect the source control panel. You will see branches, staged files, and incoming changes. Configure Git user, name and user, email if not set, and verify remotes with Git Remote V. Make sure to create or switch to a feature branch before editing, so your workflow stays organized and safe. Finish by pushing changes and creating a pull request, and follow one key troubleshooting tip. Stage and commit your work, then push to origin on your feature branch. Use the VS Code UI or terminal. Both work. Create a pull request to merge changes, and resolve any merge conflicts using the editor's inline tools. If push or auth fails, first check your SSH agent or personal access token scopes, then verify Git config and network/firewall restrictions. Fixing credentials usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.